Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to add a sticky header in Carrd. If you want your navigation bar to stay visible at the top of the screen while users scroll, you need to create a sticky header in Carrd. A sticky header improves navigation, increases usability, and makes your website feel more modern and structured. First, log into Carrd and open the site you want to edit. To create a sticky header, you need to make sure your navigation is placed inside its own section at the very top of your page. If you don't already have a header section, click the plus button and add a container element. This container will act as your header. But before that, we need to create a header marker. So to do that, click on the plus button and select the control button. And on the panel, select header marker from the dropdown. Then we're going to move the header marker to the top. You can remove and re-elements to make things convenient. Once that's set, we'll continue with creating a container as I mentioned. Inside this container, add your navigation menu, typically text links or buttons that connect to section IDs, or you could even give it a simple title. Then click on the container and go to the Settings button. Again, go to the Style section. Then we're going to copy and paste the following on the text section. Since it's a premium option, we can't do that, but you guys could insert that, then your sticky header will be enabled. After enabling sticky positioning, you'll want to adjust spacing. Since sticky elements sit above other content, you may need to add top padding to the section below it so your content doesn't hide behind the header while scrolling. By enabling sticky positioning on your top container and structuring it correctly, you create a persistent navigation bar that improves user experience and makes your Carrd site feel significantly more professional. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.